You are watching Portraits in Color featuring Dr. Frank on YouTube. When I first heard the name Sanitary Tortilla Factory, I immediately thought clean tortillas. And something else, actually. I don't think I would want to eat dirty tortillas, but maybe that's just me. When I got there, though, I was greeted by Sherri Crider, an arts entrepreneur and general contractor who was once incarcerated. I immediately connected with her drive and entrepreneurial spirit. When you check out Sanitary Tortilla Factory, Sherri's handiwork is visible throughout the facility. The reimagined space provides studios for area artists while maintaining the historical integrity of this iconic building.
Owners of the original Sanitary Tortilla Factory had passed away, and so Frank was really nostalgic for what this place meant to art, and I had no idea. Getting this place is a story unto itself, but I could tell that it was supposed to happen because it was pretty much magic. We had tried to develop other projects and there were roadblocks, and then when this space was on the table, just crazy things you couldn't orchestrate happened. And its connection to art really kind of made me feel like we were in the right place. So in the 70s, this image is from the 70s, this was a local arts hub. Next door was Richard Levy's first space, and they were bringing in internationally known lithographers making lithography. Frank McCullough's studio was across the street, and a couple other artists, so they would have shows here, and they would all eat here, and I mean, it's really renowned. And we decided to keep the name because of the community's deep affection to this place.
I should tell you, the first time that I saw the name, and I'm sure it's not the first time you heard this, right? So like Sanitary Tortilla Factory. So I'm thinking about, so what is like what does an unsanitary tortilla factory look like, right? Yeah. Or and then obviously.
Yeah.
Like
well, and the origin of the name of the restaurant was in 1972. B and I'm forgetting his name. They had the first mechanized tortilla making machine.
Oh wow!
So, and that was great. Frank, took me through the building and showed me where the trail of grease was for the tortilla chips, and so out of that meeting with Frank McCullough, 2 summers ago, we had a show that was called Love, Art, and Tortillas, and all of the artists that showed in that restaurant, all 60 and up, had a show. And it was super cool, and one of the women who did all of the graphic design work had these images, and she also gave me the original graphic designs for the restaurant, which was super cool.
Yeah.
And so then, so that's the history background to it, and then like where I come into the picture is I went to graduate school here at UNM for sculpture. And when I left school, there were not studios. You had to pay to have your exhibitions. So it was, pretty much the front line of like what artists do right out of graduate school.
Right.
And so I kind of created this place. I have 3 jobs to make this place happen. I'm a licensed general contractor. I'm also a professional artist, and I am the curator and director of this space. So it's
you need to stop slacking, maybe.
It's a lot. And now that I'm getting old, I'm like, I don't know if I can keep this up much longer.
Most people have 4 jobs. Come on, Sherri.
Yeah.
Step up your game.
Yeah, right?
Thanks for watching this clip from Portraits in Color. You can catch full episodes and other short clips of Portraits in Color on Mad Scientist Media's YouTube channel. You can also listen, download, and subscribe to Portraits in Color on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and all other platforms streaming podcasts.